Hi, I'm Lloyd from Bumstead Bicycles, and we just received the Trek 2020 Roscoe 7. It's a hardtail bike, front shocks, and 27 plus tires. In my years in the bike business, talking to people about mountain bikes, riding mountain bikes and selling mountain bikes, traction is everything. Can't tell you how many people have gone on a ride, come back and I need better tires. I'm slipping on the climbs. I'm sliding out, going into turns. I need better tires, better tires. 27 plus, you can tell, much bigger tire is gonna solve that problem for you. It does a few things. Gives you better traction, better stability, but the tire companies are making a nice lightweight tire to do that. Even though this tire is bigger than what you're running now, it's just as light and cross-country riding as the tires you're on now, but with better traction. Trek on their new bikes, all internally routed cables, so you got a nice, clean, smooth, sleek frame that way. Nothing to get clogged up. If you're putting your bike on a bike rack, nothing to get clamped and get in the way. It uses SRAM's 1x12 system. Again, tried and true, wide range of gears, simplicity of just a rear derailleur, Shimano hydraulic brakes, just a great all-around mountain bike. If you're looking for a good quality hardtail, also dropper post, can't beat it. This bike, just a good mid-level hardtail, all the bells and whistles, all the features you need to get out there and go mountain biking.